The Nobel Assembly at Karolinska Institutet has today decided to award the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine jointly to Victor Ambros and Gary Ruvkun for the discovery of microRNA and its role in post-transcriptional gene regulation.
I'm calling up Victor Ambros.
Gary and I knew we're studying interesting genes, probably that are components of some kind of developmental clock, right? And so we were just really curious about what kind of gene products would be mediating this kind of activity. The significance of this discovery of microRNAs is that it allowed us to be aware of a very complex and nuanced layer of regulation whereby genes in our cells talk to each other and coordinate their activity. Honestly, this was not something that I expected, to be quite honest. And so, because in my opinion, the Nobel Prize to Mello and Fire encompassed all these phenomena that we study.
There are a lot of awards, but the Nobel is in its own class in terms of how much attention it gets. So I don't know, I've probably gotten 10 different awards over the last 20 years. There's never been a press conference like this or TV cameras or, nothing like this. So it's a completely different world. And the fact of the matter is there's about 500,000 molecular biologists in the world now. And there's only 20,000 genes approximately. And that's spread out over every organism. So the chances that somebody has worked on a gene you bump into is quite high. But they don't know that you're working on it, and you don't know they're working on it. And so there's plenty of chances for surprises. And the surprises are what keep you young in science. And so I am constantly surprised.